Hi everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. I'm going to be doing a quick video. I have the camera turned down to make it a little bit easier because I had an accident in the bathroom. So I'm just one-handing it, so bear with me. I had a request to show how the Louis Vuitton refills work in the spray. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, here's the code for the one that I'm going to be using. And then this is the name of it. And I'll put all the information in the description. All right. And this is what we're going to work with today. This is emptied. All right. So that's how it works. This is empty. Okay. Has a little hole here. And that's basically what you do. And then you just screw that on. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, this is the one that is empty. This is how they come. They come like this. Okay, I'm just working with one hand, so bear with me here. All right, they come in fours like that. Okay. And this is just recycle, basically. Okay, these are all empty. Okay. And some people use these as little trinket boxes and that kind of thing, but I would probably say just recycle. And that's the perfume that I had in this one. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and open this. This is the box that it comes in. All right. It has the LV like that. And that has a little opening there. Okay. And then the front, you can see that. All right. All right, let me give this to Ted and see if he can just push that out. No, just push this out. Yeah.
Coming out.
Okay, forget it. Yeah, forget it. Okay.
Gotta get something in behind it to push it out.
I got it.
You got it.
Okay.
Woman wrestler.
All right. So that's the name of it. It has a gold top. And then the bottom is just plain. And then you just take one of these out. There's the hole there. Just unscrew that, pop it in like that. Put the top on, screw it in. And you're ready to go. And when you want to use it, okay, and it has a little sprayer on top. Now, if you lose this part, you cannot get just this. You have to buy the whole travel packet. All right, you can't just buy the sprayer. You can buy just the refills. So it makes it great for travel. You can just put this in your purse, good and go, and just grab it and go. Basically, it's real easy. All right, so that's my little unboxing and how you do the LV refill travel pack. I hope you guys have a good day, and thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Bye now.